Hello,
Hello,
what is your name?
my name is Linda.
How old are you, Linda?
I'm Linda and you?
And you? What's your name?
I'm Pony.
Pony, how old are you, Pony?
I'm 9 years old.
How are you today?
Very fine
Very fine.
and happy.
Happy. Okay, so you read the story Party in the Barn. Read one by one from Pony. Pony, let's go.
This is time for the big party. All the fruits and vegetables are coming.
Go.
Some live near the barn and some live far away. The farmer put new hay on the floor of the barn. He grew many orange flowers and put them in boxes.
Go on, Pony. I mean Linda, go on.
Pumpkin plays an old piano. Kiwi, peach, broccoli, and watermelon sing. They sing all night long. Tall green cucumber and shortbread tomato dance. Big yellow banana and small green grapes dance too. Banana moves slowly. Grapes must move fast. Lettuce and cabbage pour orange to the top of the hill. Cherries, berries, orange to the bottom of the hill. Apple, lemon, pear, and potato go to hide. Little black beans go to find them. Pineapple pushes corn on the street. Onion is dirty and sad. No one wants to play with her. Nice strawberry said, "Let's go swimming." Onion smiled. Now she is clean and happy. Melon and carrot cut the pie. All the fruits and vegetables have some to eat, but nobody eats the seeds. Do you know why?
Do you know why?
I don't like eat the seed because this is a baby.
So do you like to eat the baby?
No,
No. Okay. So tell me, what is the time for?
this is time for the big party.
Okay, who are coming to the party?
All the fruits and vegetables are coming.
Where do they live?
Some live near the barn and some live far away.
So do you live near the school or far away from school?
I live so from school.
You say I live not far from school.
I live not near enough for some school.
Okay, what about you?
I live far
From?
from school.
Okay, how do you get to school?
I used to school.
By
Bye.
motorbike?
Yes, I'm a motorbike. Me too.
Me too. Okay, so let's see. Where does the farmer put orange flowers in? Pony.
The farmer put the orange flower in the box.
So where does your mother or father put the flowers in?
My mother put young flower in your garden
In the garden?
Yes.
And
and in the vase.
in the vase, that's right. So can you play piano?
Yes.
You can play piano. How many songs can you play piano?
I play 5 songs.
5 songs. Good. What do you do all day long? Pony.
I go to school all day long.
And what do you do all night long?
And me go to sleep all night long.
You go to sleep all night long. Very good. Okay, so who pushes corn on the swing? Linda.
Pineapple pushes corn on the swing.
Is pushing your friends good or bad thing to do?
Pushing your friend is bad thing to do.
Okay, good. Do you like to play the game hide and seek?
Yes.
Okay, so do you like to hide or do you like to go to find your friends?
I like to go to hide.
Where do you like to hide?
I like to hide under the tree.
Under the,
Under the tree.
and you?
I like to find.
And you like to find. Okay, so Where do you find your friends?
Under the bed,
Mm-hmm.
behind the sofa,
Mm-hmm.
under the table.
Okay, that's good. Who is your good friend in the class? Who is your good friend in the class? Linda?
There is a good friend on the class.
In the class.
In the class.
Pony?
Terry is a good friend in the class.
Okay, so what are three things to say to your good friend? From Linda? I'm glad.
I'm glad you are my friend. Nobody has such a good friend as you. And those boys and girls don't have a friend like you.
Okay, and one more thing. You are such
A funny friend.
yes, a funny friend or the good friend.
Yes.
Okay, so can you make one sentence with such? Like, my father is such a hardworking father. My mother is such a funny mother. Pony.
My little brother is such a lazy brother.
Lazy brother.
And my mother is such a good mother.
Good mother. Good. So tell me 5 fruits that grow up in a tree. 5 fruits. Linda.
Orange and pineapple and lemon, apple, pear.
Grow up
Grow up on the tree.
in the tree.
In the tree. Banana, orange,
Mhm.
peach,
Mhm.
apples grow up in the tree.
Okay, so what fruits or
And lemon.
vegetables that grow upon the ground? Grow upon the ground. Linda.
Watermelon grow up on the ground. Melon grow up on the ground.
What grows down in the ground?
Potato grow down in the ground. Carrot and beet grow down in the ground.
Okay, good.
Onion too.
Onion too. Is onion dirty or sad? Dirty or clean?
Onion is dirty.
Why is onion dirty? Because
She's grow down in the grass.
right. Are you dirty or clean?
Me dirty.
You're dirty? Why are you dirty?
Me go to school.
I go to school.
I go to school are dirty and me go to home. Me wash your body. Be
Okay.
clean.
You say I'm clean.
I'm clean.
Okay, what about you, Pony?
I'm clean.
I'm clean. What makes you clean? What do you do to keep you clean?
I wash my body, wash my hair, brush my teeth.
And
face.
and face too. Good. And that's it?
Yes.
Okay. Now I give you 2 things and you make sentence with this and that. Who can do first? Linda. Okay, the book and the window.
This is a book. That's a window.
Ding ding. Pony. Table and this the table. Oh, not the table. Okay, the table and the bus.
This is the table and that is the bus.
Okay, good. Okay, so do you know what is jack-o'-lantern made from? Pony?
The jack-o'-lantern made from a pumpkin.
Made from pumpkin. What do you like to do with the pumpkin?
I like to
Make?
do
you like to make pumpkin pie?
Yes.
Pumpkin pie? Pumpkin soup?
Pumpkin soup and pumpkin
Candy?
yes.
Okay, that's good.
Candy.
What poem do you like to read? My Watermelon or Quiet or Apples?
Apple.
Apples. Okay, you read apples. 3, 2, 1.
Apples, apples, apples in a tree. One fell down just for me.
Okay, what are in a tree? Linda?
The apple are in the tree.
Okay, how many apples fell down for the girl?
One apple fell down for the girl.
So when you want to eat the apple hang up on the tree, what do you do? Pony,
I climb in the tree.
I climb up
I climb up
in the tree and
pick the apple.
good. What do you do?
I shoot the
I
tree.
shake.
I shake the tree as hard as I can.
That's right. Should you cut the tree? Should you
No!
kick the tree?
No!
Okay, some last questions. Tell me who wake you up early in the morning?
My mother wake me up.
How did your mother wake you up?
My mother say, Linda, Linda, wake up.
Okay, what about you?
My mother wake me up.
How does your mother wake you up?
My mother,
Shake your body?
yes.
How does your mother shake your body? Like what? Like, what does your mother say when she shakes your body?
Wake up, wake up.
Wake up, wake up. It's too late. Let's go to school. Okay, that's good. You can say goodbye.
Goodbye.